Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's not just important but also incredibly impactful: sustainable living. I'm going to share 5 super easy tips to make your home more eco-friendly. Trust me, these are changes anyone can make. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Switch to LED bulbs. Did you know that LED bulbs use up to 85% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs? Plus, they last much longer, saving you money in the long run. It's a win-win. Just think, by making this one small change, you're not only cutting down on your energy bills, but also reducing your carbon footprint. Simple, right? Tip number 2. Start composting. This might sound daunting, but it's easier than you think. Composting reduces the amount of waste you send to landfills and creates nutrient-rich soil for your garden. You can start with a small bin in your kitchen for food scraps like fruit peels and coffee grounds. Then transfer it to a larger outdoor bin or even a community composting site. Tip number 3. Use reusable bags. Plastic bags are a huge environmental issue, but reusable bags are a fantastic alternative. They're sturdier, hold more items, and you can use them again and again. Keep a few in your car or by your door so you always have one on hand when you go shopping. Small change, big impact. Tip number 4. Install a smart thermostat. These devices allow you to control your home's temperature remotely and can learn your schedule to optimize heating and cooling, which saves energy. Not only will you be more comfortable, but you'll also see a noticeable difference in your energy consumption. Plus, many smart thermostats are compatible with voice assistants, making them super convenient. Tip number 5. Use natural cleaning products. Traditional cleaning products often contain harsh chemicals that are bad for the environment and your health. Natural alternatives are just as effective and much safer. You can easily make your own cleaners at home with ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. They're not only eco-friendly but also budget-friendly. And there you have it. 5 easy tips to make your home more eco-friendly. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on sustainable living. Let's work together to make a greener future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more sustainable living tips. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.